Hello, in front of me I've got Audi SQ5. In this video I'll show you all comfort features installed in this car. In the beginning, let's take a look at the driver's doors. Audi SQ5 is equipped with electric side mirrors adjustment, side mirrors heating and side mirrors folding. Next, this car is equipped with memorizing of seat position and electric seat adjustment. Take a look behind left side of the steering wheel. Right here we can find bad weather lights, fog lights and automatic lights. Also, thanks to this knob, you can change AUD height. And the fact that this car has head-up display is also plus for the comfort. Take a look under the steering wheel. Here we can find knob, thanks to which we can activate adaptive cruise control and manage it. The car is equipped with voice control, automatic lights, automatic wipers. On the instrument cluster we can find quickly oil and coolant temperature, and the instrument cluster is easy to navigate through. We can find here also alerts, Bluetooth connection, smartphone and map. Now let's take a look in the center of the car. The car is equipped with automatic transmission and intuitive panel, thanks to which we can navigate the MMI. Fortunately, MMI is not touchable, but this panel is really easy to operate. Simply select radio, media, navigation, map or telephone, or go to menu. Most things you do by this knob. Take a look at the climate control panel. As you can see, this car has three zone climate control, thanks to which you can activate climate control for driver, passenger and rear row of the seats. Also, right here we've got seat heating for driver and passenger, drive selection mode, 360 cameras with parking sensors and hill descent control feature. Car is equipped with multiple USB ports, multiple SD card slots and few power outlets. SD card slots are located right there in the glove box, where you can also find disc player. Next to the SD card slots, you can find SIM card slot, thanks to which you can add mobile network to your car for online services. In short, that would be it. The car is really progressive, and for its age, it has very big offer of comfort features. Last but not least, the car is equipped with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, but only via cable. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.